In this video, I'm going to show you how to create fake tattoos that don't look fake, look 100% realistic, are pain-free, needle-free, and commitment-free, last only up to 2 weeks using Jagua paste. There are 4 Easter eggs hidden in this video. Find them all and you'll unlock a sentence with a legit takeaway. Let's see if you can find them. All the items needed to create the tattoos. We need the antiseptic, antibacterial, roll of tissues, stencil printer, stencil paper, and the life of the party, the Jagua paste, or also known as the temporary tattoo ink. To help me demo this, I'll be assisted with one of my all-time favorite bands, Costura. Air fusion band with a modern twist, mixing elements of the Western and Eastern cross-cultural components. We're creating their entire album in the form of temporary tattoos. So we want to take a look at the tattoo designs. The designs echo the Rayum album, which translates into clouds. The album traces the immigrant journey through changing skies, ranging from white to cloudy, and we conveyed that emotion into the tattoo visuals. I basically make sure that I develop a few size options, because no matter what size we come up with, it always looks different when we're applying it in person. With the stencil paper, I make sure we get rid of the one inside. This is just a protective layer, and then we insert it in the printer. This is one of my favorite parts. You do not need a printer to create your stencils. There is a method to hand draw your stencils and set it up manually. Comment below stencil tutorial if you'd like to see how to DIY it yourself without a printer. From the looks of it, which one do you think you like more?
I feel the small one is gonna be good for your shoulder side.
You want it kind of like here?
Maybe I wanted to show a little.
We're gonna use the antibacterial antiseptic. Serves 2 purposes. The first of which, it cleanses the body from any bacteria or any barriers, and it also acts as the glue for the stencil to apply actually on the skin. You can use cotton pads, you can use regular tissue paper, both work. We just add a small dab. You don't want to over wet it, just like a small dab like that. We just want to make the area damp. We don't want to over wet it. This is what they used to give people needles. I promise I won't give you an injection. What we're gonna do is we just want the top layer. We remove it from the stencil sheet and we toss this away. And we want the glossy side plastered onto the body area. And then we just add it on there very gently. With that same wipe, we're just gonna dab it on until the paper is translucent. But again, you actually don't want to over wet it, because if you over wet it, the carbon paper is going to be very smudged, not giving a clear area to work with. Satisfying stencil removal moments. It's going to look really cool actually.
Yeah.
Now with a Jagua cone, we're just basically going to retrace on top of the design. Your line pressure is truly important and will be the difference between making this look like a real tattoo versus a henna design. Most henna artists are used to squeezing the cone with pressure, but for it to look like a tattoo, you actually need to squeeze with less pressure and to make your lines as thin and clean as possible. And now the tattoo application is complete, but that's only half the battle. It's important to keep the paste, aka ink, on for 20 to 30 minutes, unlike henna, which you need to keep on overnight. And the tattoo color develops in a matter of 24 hours, sometimes even less. A day later, and the tattoo stain color has fully developed. To get your hands on a full Jagua temporary tattoo kit, you can hop on the waitlist for its release later in 2026. Now to recap. Use Jagua paste for a real looking tattoo color, not to be mixed with henna. Make sure to develop several size options since it looks different in person. Add a small tiny dab of antibacterial to make sure to not over wet it. Light pressure squeeze of your cone to make it look like a tattoo and not henna design. And wait 24 hours for a fully developed tattoo color. Costura is an air fusion band. Why can't I say band?
We're the same.
Like this. أنا اللي بعلم العربي. God damn it. This is not working. Band, not band.
Headphones or like Tabella headphones.
No, yeah. Okay.
Friend of Noya.